Chapter 2. Our sense organs. We get a lot of information about various things in our environment through our sense organs. The eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, and the skin are our sense organs. Let's learn more about them. 1. Eyes. The eyes are one of the most important and delicate sense organs of the body. We can see many things with our eyes. We can know their important characteristics such as the shape, the size, and the color of the objects with the help of our eyes. Look at the pictures showing the knowledge we gain through our eyes. 1. The shape of things. 2. The size and volume of things. 3. The color of things. 4. The distance between two things. 5. The height and depth of things. 2. Ears. We can hear different sounds through our ears. We can know the intensity of the sound, the nature of the sound, and the direction of the sound through our ears. Look at the pictures showing the knowledge we gain through our ears. 1. To recognize the person by his or her voice. 2. To recognize the things by sound. 3. Shrill and melodious voice. 4. Loud sound or soft sound. 5. The direction of the sound. 3. Nose. We can smell things through our nose. Some things smell sweet, while some stink. The difference in the smell can be known through our nose. We can remember the characteristics of special things through the nose. Look at the pictures showing the knowledge we gain through our nose. 1. Sweet smell. 2. Bad smell, that is, stink. 3. Recognize a thing by smell. 4. Tongue. We taste the substances with the help of our tongue. Look at the pictures showing the knowledge we gain through the taste of our tongue. Sweet, bitter, sour, pungent, astringent, salty, skin. We can feel the things through the contact of the skin. We can know the shape of the things, the surfaces of the things, and the temperatures through the contact of our skin. Look at the pictures showing the knowledge we gain through the contact of our skin. Cold, soft, hard, hot. This is a comb.